Hello everyone, in this video you will learn about property binding in Angular 12. So we'll start with what is property binding. It is a one-way data binding technique. Here data flow from component to HTML template. That means here updating the component's property value and binding it to the view template element. The syntax for property binding, it uses square brackets. So we'll start demo on property binding in Angular 12. Here I have created a project called property binding by entering command ng new project name. Here project name is property binding in command prompt. Next we'll extend this source. Again next we'll extend this app. Here we have app component with HTML, CSS, TypeScript files. Next I need to display GoGetMyGuru logo and string welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart and contact details on header. So what I'll do, I'll create a component called header. So I have entered command ng generate component / header. So that header component will be created in components folder. Next I'll click on header.component.ts. Here app-header is the selector name. To display GoGetMyGuru logo on header, I'll write here image URL. So for this image URL, we have to give the path of GoGetMyGuru logo. So I'll go to official website of GoGetMyGuru. Then I will copy the image address. Again I'll go to header.component.ts file. So here I will paste that path here. Then to display title as GoGetMyGuru Mart, I'll write here title is equal to, in double quotes I'll write welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart. Next to display contact details, I'll write here contact details equal to, in double quotes I'll write here gogetmyguru@gmail.com. Image URL, title and contact details, these are the components property. Next we'll go to header.component.html. Here I'll comment this line header works. I will take here header tag. Inside this header tag I'll take image tag. Here in this source we have to give the components property which is in header.component.ts. Here image URL is the components property. We have specified the path of GoGetMyGuru logo. So we'll go to header.component.html. Here we'll write image URL. Next we'll apply property binding concept here so that the data which is in header.component.ts will be transferred to header.component.html. So the syntax for property binding is here we have to give square bracket. That means here source is property of image element, binding to components property that is image URL. Next to display title as welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart on header, I'll take here h1 tag. In this h1 tag I'll write square bracket. Inside this I'll write inner text is equal to, in double quotes I'll write here title. And also to display contact details, here I'll take h3 tag. I'll write square bracket. Inside this again I'll write inner text is equal to, in double quotes, contact details. So here image URL, title, contact details, these are the component properties in header.component.ts. Source, inner text, these are the property of image and h1 and h3 elements. Here I have added CSS for this. So I'll go to header.component.css. For header, I have selected display flex, justify content space around, background color light blue. For image, max height 80 px. And for h1 tag, selected text align center color brown. Next, we'll go to app.component.html. Here we'll give tag name that is app-header, which is the selector name in header.component.ts. Next, we'll run this project. So I'll open terminal by giving control backtick, and here we'll enter command ng serve-o. So here project is compiled successfully. Then we'll go to browser. In browser you can see property binding project is running on localhost :4200. And in header it is displaying GoGetMyGuru logo and string welcome to GoGetMyGuru Mart with contact details gogetmygurumart@gmail.com. How we are getting this? Here the data is flowing from header.component.ts file to header.component.html. Please subscribe to our channel. Help us to grow. Thanks for watching.